are some of the benefits associated with consuming cloves and bay leaves. Benefits of cloves. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, particularly phenolic compounds, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation and pain in conditions like arthritis. Cloves can aid in digestion by promoting the secretion of digestive enzymes and reducing digestive discomfort, bloating, and gas. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in cloves may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, making them potentially useful for individuals with diabetes. Benefits of bay leaves. Bay leaves contain enzymes that can aid digestion by promoting the breakdown of proteins and improving nutrient absorption. They can also help soothe an upset stomach